If you've ever watched a knitting tutorial and thought, yeah, I understand the stitch, but why does no one ever explain why you do it that way? Welcome. You found your people. I'm Nicole. This is Nicole Knits. And this channel exists because knitting content on the internet is either too basic, too precious, or frankly, too beige. Here, you'll find tutorials that actually respect your intelligence, honest reviews, deep dives into techniques that patterns assume you already know how to do, stash management you can actually use, and the occasional, completely justified editorial opinion. But don't take my word for it. That's honestly all I'm ever trying to do. So whether you've been knitting for 30 years or you're still not quite sure which end of the needle to hold on to, if you want to actually understand what you're doing with your knitting and maybe laugh a little while you're at it, this channel is for you. Hit subscribe, browse around, and if you find yourself watching at midnight when you should be sleeping, that's not my fault. That's just knitting.